So in this video I'm making a spinning galaxy pendant with a meteorite bead. So we start by taking some silver wire and creating a small circle using some round pliers. We'll make sure the bead fits inside before piercing the circle and soldering it together. We then move on to the second circle in the same manner as making the first. Making sure the circle fits inside. And then file and sand down the two circles for a test fitting. I mark off where I'm going to drill by linking up the bead and the wire inside the circle. I take my hand vise that I restored in a previous video and use it to hold the item as I drill it. Once both holes are drilled on the small circle, I can then mark off the drill points for the second circle. Once the holes are drilled, I can test to see if everything moves freely. And now move on to making the third and final circle. I decide to make the final circle more or less a semicircle by simply trimming off the lower half. As we did previously, we mark our drill points and drill 2 holes into the wire. take a pre-made bail and solder it to the centre of the semicircle. I then go about prepping all the items before a final connection, as there may be some hard to reach areas once finished. Now I decide to solder the wire in place rather than rivet or alternative friction setting, because riveting on a semicircle may distort its shape, and soldering would be the only other way of getting a smooth surface finish. This does also mean if you use an acid solution afterwards, then it will be contaminated due to the iron meteorite. I went ahead and used an acid bath and then buffed out any discoloration on the silver. After filing and sanding down the wire, I can go about finishing off the item. And there you have it, a spinning silver galaxy pendant with a centre meteorite bead. I hope you enjoyed this project, and if you did, be sure to leave a like, and I'll see you next time.